Mastering viable system principles. Only one person holds the power to define and measure true operational excellence. Who within the organization is responsible for defining operational excellence, and what metrics do they use to measure its achievement? In the context of viable system principles, defining operational excellence is a collaborative effort between various stakeholders, but ultimately, it is the responsibility of the operations director or equivalent, who serves as the System 1 operations coordinator. This individual is tasked with overseeing the day-to-day operations of the organization and ensuring that all processes and systems are aligned with the overall goals and objectives. The operations director works closely with other key stakeholders, including the executive team, department heads, and process owners, to establish a shared understanding of operational excellence and define the metrics used to measure its achievement. This collaborative approach ensures that operational excellence is embedded in the organization's culture and is seen as a collective responsibility. To define operational excellence, the operations director and stakeholders consider the following key aspects. 1. Customer perspective. What are the customer's expectations, needs, and perceptions of our products or services? 2. Process efficiency. How can we optimize our processes to minimize waste, reduce variability, and maximize flow? 3. Employee engagement. How can we empower employees to take ownership of their work, develop their skills, and make continuous improvements? 4. Innovation and learning. How can we foster a culture of innovation, experimentation, and continuous learning to stay ahead of the competition? 5. Risk management. How can we identify, mitigate, and manage risks to ensure the sustainability of our operations? To measure operational excellence, the operations director and stakeholders establish a set of key performance indicators, KPIs, that provide insights into the organization's performance in these key areas. Some examples of KPIs include: 1. Customer satisfaction, measured through surveys, Net Promoter Score, NPS, or Customer Effort Score, CES. 2. Process efficiency, measured through metrics such as lead time, cycle time, throughput, or process yield. 3. Employee engagement, measured through employee satisfaction surveys, training and development metrics, or Employee Net Promoter Score, INPS. 4. Innovation and learning, measured through metrics such as the number of new product or service launches, innovation pipeline, or training hours per employee. 5. Risk management, measured through metrics such as risk exposure, audit findings, or compliance rates. These KPIs are regularly reviewed and discussed during operational review meetings, where the operations director and stakeholders assess progress, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to drive operational excellence. Additionally, the operations director is responsible for ensuring that operational excellence is embedded in the organization's policies, procedures, and standards. This includes developing and maintaining standard operating procedures, SOPs, work instructions, and training programs that align with the organization's goals and objectives. By having a clear definition of operational excellence and a set of meaningful metrics to measure its achievement, the operations director and stakeholders can focus their efforts on continuous improvement, driving business results, and creating a sustainable competitive advantage.